In order to fax out a plan of care, once an evaluation is complete, on the line, at the end of the line under Actions, click Actions, Send as Fax. Marking the plan of care is what's going to generate the plan of care document that will have an area for the physician or the provider to sign. The evaluation has the full evaluation. It does not have a physician or provider signature section. It is not designed as a plan of care, which the insurances want it to be the plan of care. Mark plan of care, click fax. The provider's name would already be filled in for you based on having it already attached to the patient's chart, so it will already show here. If you wanted to add a statement like a thank you or a sign and return kind of instructional statement, you can save that to your autocomplete, and then when you would come in, you could just start typing and then put in that statement, and then you will click send fax and it will go out for signature. Once you click send fax, it's just going to say, would you like to check this plan of care is being sent? You would say yes, and it would get marked as being sent. When it's marked sent, this is going to turn into a green check mark, and in this yellow box it will be marked sent. So I'm going to manually do this. This is not a step you have to do. This is what I'm doing since this is obviously not a real patient to fax that out to. So once I've said I have sent it, it shows it's sent in this yellow box, and now the eval has that green check mark next to it.